Hello, I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to remove address from Amazon. Now before moving on, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's jump into the video. Firstly, open up the Amazon app and then logged into your account. Now once you get logged into your account, tap on person icon at the bottom of your screen. And now again tap on your account button. Now scroll a bit down. Now in the account settings section, you will be able to see your addresses option. Tap on it. And there you will be able to see your all addresses on your Amazon account. Now in order to remove this address, tap on remove button, and once you tap on remove button, your address on Amazon will be removed. And that's how easily you can remove your address from Amazon. I hope this video was useful. If it was, then don't forget to like and share this video and also subscribe to our channel. That's gonna be all for this video, and I will see you in the next one.